Hello, hi, it's Liz here, and today I'm going to do a page in my glue book. It's been a little while and I've missed it, so we want to crack on with this. That was the last. We did a double page there. So there's this page here that needs something to match this strange looking creature over here. So yeah, so let's get this covered up first, and I have picked out this book to use as my background. There's quite a lot of pages in this which are great backgrounds, and this was a charity shop find. I don't know if there's a sticker on it saying it was actually all coming apart, so it was really cheap. I think it was about 50p or something, but I just thought it was great for backgrounds. So yeah, if you ever come across it. So I'm wanting to find a kind of pale plainish one. I had that yellow one in my sights there a minute ago. Where's it gone? That's what happens, isn't it? At least you're getting to see the book while I'm trying to find. I don't know where it's gone. It must be round about here. Where is it? Oh, come on. Will that one do? This one maybe? This will do, because I'm fed up with it. Now, we'll just use the one. Yeah, I think we'll just use one sheet. Just keep it nice and easy. Do the whole page with the one piece. So we'll take a little bit. Do we need to take a little bit off it? Yeah, just maybe a smidgen. Let me just move that out of the way, because if I do it on top of that, who knows where that'll take us. Just a little bit off the side, and we'll see, yep, and a little bit off the bottom to about there. Do it that way round. I always like to pull the bigger piece. That can go in the scraps box. That's a good wee piece for something. Excellent. That will do nicely. So let's get some glue. Let's just use our glue stick. Around the edges, and then we'll go across the middle. There we are. That would have been a good side as well to use. Anyway, it's done now. Let's see if we can. Yeah. That's fine. We can put a bit of washi down that just to straighten up that edge. Absolutely. Let's do that right now. Oops. Let me get my little plastic card. Can just tuck that round, and this side. That'll do. I think that's us good to go. Just tuck any odd bits under. There. Right, so we've got a nice page ready to work on, and everything now that I'm going to use is from the Extraordinary Things to Collage, to Cut Out and Collage. Yeah, I usually quite often use magazine things and whatnot, but this book has been neglected a little bit because I'm not doing the weekly Marguerite Miller, so I thought let's do a page with the Cut Out and Collage. I think that's quite dry now. It's quite well stuck. So this hand is holding, can you guess what he might be holding? I'm not going to turn this into a quiz. You would never guess, because he's going to be holding a bath. Let's see. I will put the two legs in behind. So, what's going to be in the bath? I think some cactus. Why not? I have cut the bath open so that I can slide my cactus in. So let's start sticking things down. We will stick the bath down first. Yes, I've not been doing this year the weekly Marguerite Miller, so I thought let's just do something with what I used to use for Marguerite. About there, I think. Yeah. Bath down. He must be strong. He's holding that, what looks like a big iron bath, doesn't it? It looks like an old-fashioned iron bath. Big metal bath. There we are. That's the glue stick over. Right, let's get our cactus in. I hope I've left that. Did I glue that down? Let me just get my dangerous looking blade. There we are, that's fine. I've got some glue stick on my fingers. Glue book, glue fingers, glue hand. I'm getting into a fankle. Right, where is that? So a bath full of cactus. Cacti? The plural of cactus? Cacti? I think it might be. Put that one at a wee jaunty angle. Oh, that looks a jaggy one. I think this is the jaggiest. Let's fill up the bath Let's put this one in the back of that one. And then I've got this, dangerous looking one. We'll put him at the top of those ones. And then I've got one more, maybe for just up the other end. Gentle with the glue stick. These leaves are barely hanging on. There we are. Get them stuck down before they tear. So, we have a hand. I want to just lift that up for now, because I do have something else that I want to put in there. Now, what else can we add to the page? How about this courageous young gentleman? Let's just move that to the side a little bit, because he's taken a dive in. I think we might have to chop his feet off. He's taken a dive. And this is his constant companion, his little pup, trying to warn him. No. And that little pup is holding a sign saying that a shark was sighted today. Enter the water at your own risk. So here we have that shark, and I want to put the shark coming out. I might need to chop a bit off. I think we will. Get the scissors. Do some minery shark surgery. Minery? Minor. Like Jaws. Because the shark doesn't want to be in the bath with the cactus. Because it's jaggy. Right, we'll pop him stick these two little cactuses back down. There we are, cacti. Oh, and we've still the dog to get down. I think it's all too late. I think he's already, I don't think there's a point of no return for this guy, and I think he's past it. I think he's headed for that, and there's nothing's going to stop him. What do you think? I think we'll need to chop his feet off. Or do we do him that he's going, no, then that doesn't look right. Like this is going to, like, as if anything makes sense, but, or maybe it does make sense, because then he's in front of the shark, and the shark does look like it's kind of looking behind him, and he's already nearly in the cactus. I think we will overlap it. In my head it was more he was ready to dive in, but I think we'll put him further down so that he's just almost there. Yep, I think we will. Right. And usually I add some words to my collages in the glue book, but to be honest, I don't have any words for this. There are no words, apart from maybe ouch. We'll get his feet in first so that we can have him as high as possible. There. That looks like 2 wee cat paws there. What do you think? Bit of fun. Sharp-sighted today, enter water at own risk. So a bath full of cacti and a shark, and he's about to take a dive. I think that's quite fun. I quite like it. Totally different again. We've got our painterly one here. We've got our strange chaos going on. And we've got our music lyrics. And then we've got the professor's book with his specimens. Love these butterflies. And we've got another two strange ones, 2 funny ones. And then these ones. I really need to stick that down. Yeah, so quite pleased with how it's coming on. I quite like this. Okay, thanks for joining me today, and if you've liked the video, a thumbs up would be great, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.